In today's video, I want to give my opinion about whether celebrities are harmful to Formula 1 if they attend Formula 1 races. We all have seen the awkward interview between Martin Brundle and Machine Gun Kelly at the Brazilian Grand Prix last weekend, and we also all can remember the interview between Megan Thee Stallion at the US Grand Prix some years back. Martin Brundle was trying to engage them in a quick conversation, and obviously that didn't go according to plan. Now, while I genuinely have got nothing against celebrities attending Formula 1 races, if they are guests of a Formula 1 team, I do have a problem with celebrities who do not really care about the sport, because I think some of the celebrities are just there for their own agenda and do not really care about the sport, and I think that is taking away the opportunity from the real fans. I mean, yes, the Formula 1, the celebrities bring all the glitz and glamour, but what is glitz and glamour if they don't really want to talk on the grid or just don't really care about the races? I mean, Machine Gun Kelly left before the race was finished. I think rather than bringing celebrities to the races, I think Formula 1 teams should bring real fans like myself to the races, because we would appreciate the opportunity of having the opportunity to join a team, and it would really make somebody's day. Or even if they bring some fan with a life-threatening or life-limiting condition to the races, and make them feel special for a day, I think that would be much more beneficial to Formula 1 than bringing some celebrity who could in effect buy their own ticket if they really wanted to come to the Grand Prix, rather than getting it for free and not appreciating it. Or the other way I would do it is, yes, the team can invite a celebrity and alongside with one fan, because I do know that there are genuine Formula 1 fans among some celebrities, like Gordon Ramsay, for example. But that is just my way. I would find a compromise. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. This is just my opinion. I've got nothing against Machine Gun Kelly or Megan Thee Stallion or anybody, but this is just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you do like my content, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to support me in a more personal way, then consider buying me a super thanks, so that which I can use to get myself a cafe latte. But I'll speak to you later, guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.